Kenyan President William Ruto has started his trip to the United States of America and is the first African leader invited for a state visit to the US in 15 years. On his departure from Nairobi to his first destination, the city of Atlanta in the state of Georgia, something unique was noted. President Ruto dumped Kenya's presidential jet Harambee 1 and opted to use a chartered private jet for the trip. As President Ruto's state visit to the US is being closely monitored globally, Kenyans have also keenly watched details of the trip and noted the use of a luxury private jet. It's not a secret that the president traveled and will land in style in the United States, as he used an aircraft used by the world's most powerful, rich and mighty. The Boeing business jet, or BBJ, boasts of making private air travel a luxury. The government of Kenya chartered the aircraft famously known as the Boeing BBJ for use by President Ruto and part of his entourage during the trip. In this video, we take a look at this unique Boeing business jet, or BBJ. The plane, a Boeing business jet B737-77W, has a aircraft registration A6RJU that is registered in Abu Dhabi and is operated by the Abu Dhabi-based company Royal Jet, a private jet leasing company owned by UAE Royal, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Hamad bin Tahnoon Al Nahyan. The aircraft is one of the newest in the Royal Jet fleet and has been in operation since 2017. The jet is worth a whopping $100 million or 13.1 billion shillings. Would Kenya be buying such a jet soon? Let's wait and see. The private jet offers a presidential suite complete with a conference room, a mini office area, a stateroom, or in simple terms, a luxury bedroom with a king-size bed, an ensuite VIP toilet, forward and back area cabinets, a mid-cabin club, and a conference area. The VIP suite is located in the front of the plane with a partition to block it from the rest of the cabin, granting the VIP passenger privacy from other occupants. It also has a back area business class and standard class seating. The private jet can carry 34 passengers at a time, with 18 sitting in the standard class seats, 8 in the business class areas, and 8 in the VIP conference area. For passengers flying overnight or at any time of the flight, the aircraft features a queen-size bed, 16 lie-flat seats, for extra comfort. On the inside, there are kingly tapestries, gold-colored finishes for the president or any other VIP passenger. The contemporary design of the private jet features carbon fiber and premium materials throughout the cabin, along with a unique cool mode lighting system with over 1 million color variations, which is controlled by the customer-operated iPad-based cabin management system. This private jet also boasts a state-of-the-art video-on-demand in-flight entertainment system enhanced by a high-quality sound system with overhead speakers and subwoofers, which can be controlled by the iPads provided for the VIP passenger. The aircraft has also been equipped with the highest speed communication systems, which allow passengers to stream high-definition video content throughout the flight, including via their own personal accounts with providers such as Apple TV, Netflix, and Amazon Prime Video. It also has a low cabin altitude modification and an air filtration technology which optimizes health and comfort, leaving its VIP passengers more relaxed and fresher upon reaching their destination. You may be wondering why President Ruto opted to use a chartered private jet and not the state-owned presidential jet. or choosing to fly commercial. The reason is because the current government-owned aircraft, the Fokker 70ER or extended range, is designed as a short to medium-range airliner and cannot fly all the way to the United States. The total flight duration from Nairobi, Kenya to Atlanta, Georgia is approximately 16 hours 35 minutes for a commercial airliner flying at average flight speed, but that could take a slightly shorter term for the Boeing business jet. The lease of the private jet is estimated to be in the hundreds of millions by the time President Ruto and his delegation complete the trip at the end of the week. For a round trip, this would have set back the taxpayer something in the estimates of 200 to 300 million shillings. Having a private jet is an expensive affair as owners and operators pay a lot of money in landing fees that range in several thousands of dollars. Other additional costs like fuel, maintenance and inspection are also the responsibility of private jet owners or operators. World leaders like to travel in style, and I know you're wondering whether the Kenyan taxpayers are funding for the lease of the private jet. Diplomatic culture and protocol demands that the host country be responsible for paying all expenses, including lodging and travel for its guests. So, there is a high likelihood that the luxury travel has been footed by the American and not the Kenyan taxpayer. That's it about the luxury Boeing business jet. Keep it here. We'll keep you updated on President Ruto's trip to the United States.